QuickBooks Error 6129. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1, Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1, open QuickBooks Tool Hub. If you don't have it, download and install it from. Step 2, in QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Installation Issues. Step 3, select QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool. Step 4, it'll take about 20 minutes to fix the issue. Step 5, once done, go to the Network Issues tab. Step 6, next, select QuickBooks Database Server Manager. Step 7, in the Scan Folders tab, click on Browse and select the folder that contains your company files. Step 8, once done, click on Start Scan. Step 9, click on the Close button once the scanning is completed. Solution 2, disable antivirus software in safe mode. Step 1, click on the Windows Start button and click the Power button. Step 2, hold down the Shift key and press the Restart button. Step 3, next, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Step 4, select Startup Settings, then Restart. Step 5, click on the Windows Start button, search Settings, and open it. Step 6, go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Step 7, now go to Virus and Threat Protection, then it'll open a new window. Step 8, in the new Windows Security window, click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Step 9, then turn off real-time protection by clicking on the toggle. Step 10, click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 11, now open QuickBooks, click on the File tab and select Create Copy. Step 12, select Portable Company File and click Next. Step 13, next, click on Desktop in the left panel and select the location where you want to save the file. Step 14, press OK in the Close and Reopen pop-up and wait for it to create the portable file. Step 15, when you get the administrator permission needed pop-up, click Continue. Step 16, click OK in the QuickBooks Desktop information pop-up. Step 17, close QuickBooks and right-click on the Windows Start button. Step 18, select Task Manager, click on the File tab and then Run New Task. Step 19, in the Create New Task dialog box, enter msconfig in the open field and click OK. Step 20, minimize the Task Manager screen and go to the Boot tab in the System Configuration window. Step 21, under Boot Options, uncheck Safe Boot, then click API in OK to save the changes. Step 22, click Restart to apply the changes. Step 23, now open QuickBooks, restore the company file and see if the error is resolved. Solution 3, update QuickBooks. Step 1, now open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 2, then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3, in the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 4, if you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 5, when you're ready, go to Update Now, click on Get Updates and QuickBooks will start downloading updates. Step 6, once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart, click OK on the pop-up. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.